Hi guys and welcome back. So today I'm going to be showing you how to make these cheese and onion rolls. Let's begin. So to start on the recipe, you'll want to grab yourself a large mixing bowl, and into the mixing bowl place your freshly boiled potatoes, followed by the butter, then by your grated cheese, and don't forget the onion. You can then go ahead and mix these over a medium-high speed until the ingredients are fully combined. It should be a mashed potato consistency, as that's literally what it is, but not as creamy as mashed potato. Give the bowl a good scraping down just to incorporate any bits that may not have been fully worked in from earlier on. You can then transfer the potato mixture into another bowl and allow it to cool until almost fully cold. Then transfer the mixture into a piping bag. You don't need to fit a nozzle in the end, as you'll just be able to snip off the end and work with it like that. Now you can take your puff pastry, whether you've made your own or you've brought a shop made. It's Christmas, you don't have time to make your own. I'm using shop brought. Roll it out and then cut it in half lengthways. Then into each of the halves you'll want to pipe your cheesy potato filling. So you'll want to start directly in the middle and then pipe either side. There should be 3 lines of fairly thick mashed potato, then you can fold it up. So you just bring the puff pastry in from one side and then start to roll it over, and it should overlap on the bottom. And if it does, great. If it doesn't, just keep rolling it until it does. Then score and cut the ends off. You can then go ahead and place these onto your lined baking tray, and you'll want to leave them some space as they do flatten out while baking, and this is completely normal. If your pastry is feeling a little warm, you feel free to go ahead and place them into the fridge for around half an hour, cover them with cling film. Then you can take them out of the fridge and just egg wash them generously with beaten egg, and then place into your preheated oven. All of that information will be on the blog post, which will be linked down below. So here is what the end result looks like. You get these lovely cheese and onion rolls, perfect for Christmas and any time of year really. So I hope you enjoyed. If you did, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more from me, and I'll be back again tomorrow with another recipe, so join me then. In the meanwhile, don't forget to check out the description. There'll be a link to this recipe, link to my blog, and links to all my social medias that I'm trying to post daily, so don't forget to go and follow me over on there. But that's all for today. I hope you enjoyed. Bye guys.